study. I want to talk about our school.
The name?
The name of our school is Faith International Academy. Our principal is Sir Abdul Ryan. He is a gentleman. I respect our teacher. They love us so much. I have so many friends there in our class.
We
have a playground. I enjoy playing with toys. I love my our science sports day.
Science and
Science and sports day. There's we have a library. There are so many interesting books to read. I love our school.
It's
It's a safe and happy place.